Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Juke tail light. Start by parking safely, setting the brake, and opening the hatch to access the tail area. Remove the trunk trim panel by gently prying clips and unfastening screws, then locate the tail light mounting bolts and wiring harness. Keep screws organized and use gloves to protect hands. Work calmly and test the harness after reinstallation to confirm proper function. Now remove the tail light assembly by first taking out the visible mounting bolts and any hidden fasteners behind the trim. Gently pull the light housing straight out to avoid breaking clips, then locate the wiring connector and depress the release tab while pulling the plug away. If bulbs need replacing, twist and remove each socket. Set the assembly on a soft surface to protect painted areas and inspect clips for damage before reinstalling. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to get more easy car repair tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long DIY sessions. It seals well and is easy to carry to the garage. I find it handy when working on tight jobs like tail lights. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To reinstall, align the tail light housing with its mounting points and gently push until clips engage, then thread and snug the mounting bolts without over-tightening. Reconnect the wiring harness and confirm the connector clicks firmly. Replace the trim panel and any screws you removed, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finish by testing the brake lights, turn signals, and reverse light to ensure everything functions correctly before heading back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.